Welcome, today I am with REALME GT Neo2 and I will show you how you can remove tempered glass from display in this phone. So, that's very simple. You have to start from one of the corner. For example, I'm gonna start from the right upper corner. So you don't have to bring any additional tools or accessories, however you call it. You can use your hands and basically your fingernails. So let's put the fingernail underneath glass right here from this edge. Okay, so I cannot make it right here, so I'm gonna switch to the bottom corners. Let's start from this one, for example. So put your finger underneath gently and just lift the glass. Take a look, it goes very easy. You can put here also the second finger. When you leave it enough, just like that. Oh, I just mess. Let's start. Okay, so keep lifting. And right now, when you leave it enough, you can put under the glass your fingers. So right now it will be definitely much easier, so just push it towards you. I mean, pull it, do it gently, and there it is. As you can see right now, we easily remove the tempered glass from the display. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.